इतिहास को समय के झरोखे से देखने को किसका मन नहीं होता। समय का चक्र मानव सभ्यता को अंधकार की गहराइयों से निकालकर सभ्य समाज की व्यवस्था की ओर प्रगतिशील है। आज हम ऐसी ही सिविलाइजेशन दैट इज सभ्यता के बारे में जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। नॉट ओनली फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम बट ऑल्सो टू नो द हिस्ट्री। वन थिंग मोर, एक्चुअली व्हाट इज हिस्ट्री? History and the past are not the same things. The past refers to an earlier time, whereas history describes our attempts to research, study, and explain the past. When we talk of ancient Indian history, the timeline could be as shown in slide. Firstly, Indus Valley Civilization, सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता। बहुत से नामों से जाना जाता है इसे। इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता, हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन, इंडस सरस्वती सिविलाइजेशन और ओनली सरस्वती सिविलाइजेशन। इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इसे इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि इनिशियली जो रिमेन्स मिले थे वो सिर्फ इंडस वैली में मिले थे। उसके बाद हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन इसे इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम जो नोटिस किए गए रिमेन्स वो हड़प्पा साइट पे किए गए थे। उसके बाद इंडस सरस्वती या सरस्वती सिविलाइजेशन इसे इसलिए बोला जाता है बिकॉज बाद में जब रिमेन्स मिले सिर्फ 40 साइट्स जो हैं वो इंडस में हैं, बाकी 1100 दैट इज 80% ऑफ द साइट्स वो गंगा और इंडस के बीच के रीजन में है और वो रीजन सरस्वती रिवर का रीजन था। नॉर्थ में मांडा, ईस्ट में आलमगीरपुर, साउथ में दैमाबाद और वेस्ट में बालूचिस्तान में। Now, town planning. Each city comprised a series of walled sectors or mounds oriented in different direction. Gateways में large gateways हैं at various entry points of the city: मोहनजोदारो, हड़प्पा, कालीबंगान and सूरकोटड़ा. Now in building structures, the type of buildings, first is private houses, secondly large houses surrounded by small units and third है large public structures. तो जो वेरिएशन है साइज ऑफ dwellings में that is from single room tenements to the houses with courtyards that is up to dozen rooms. Doorways and windows rarely opened out in the main street but faced sidelines. Two-storied buildings were there and some may have three-storied. There are mainly 3 to 4 types of public buildings that is recognized as great bath, granaries and dockyard. Great bath को हम देख सकते हैं कि it can be linked with some sort of ritual bathing that is common in Indian life from ancient times till today. Dockyard was found at Lothal and Lothal is considered a major trading center of the Harappan civilization. Streets cut each other on right angles, already we have studied down, and according to scholars, such town planning was not seen even in the 19th century London and Paris. Even smaller towns and villages had impressive drainage system. That is, people having great civic sense of sanitation and care for health and hygiene. Let's now talk about the art and culture. Tools and weapons were simple in form. Copper and bronze vessels were found. Small plates and weights of lead. And basically, it is considered that silver is more common than gold because it is indicated by the occurrence of a number of large vessels made from silver. About the pottery, it was quite advanced pottery technology. Pots beautifully painted in black on the right bright red surface with geometric designs, plants, animals and a few paint. अब अगर हम बात करें स्क्रिप्ट की तो ये अब तक अननोन है। इसको द्रविडियन से कनेक्ट करते हैं, कुछ इसको इंडो आर्यन से कनेक्ट करते हैं, कुछ इसको संस्कृत से कनेक्ट करते हैं। नियरली 400 स्पेसिमेंट्स मिले हैं हड़प्पन साइंस के। सम आर्ग्यू दैट हड़प्पन इंस्क्रिप्शंस प्रेजेंट अ लोगोसिलेबिक राइटिंग सिस्टम। द स्क्रिप्ट इज रिटन फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट। और अगर हम ट्रेड की बात करें then the elaborate social structure and the standard of living must have been achieved only by a highly developed system of communication, and strong economy. Intensive agricultural production and large scale trade was there. And trade must have been internal, that is, between one zone and another, and later external trade also developed. Some of the Mesopotamia and Egyptian objects in Harappan civilization were found. आफ्टर दैट वेट्स एंड मेजर्स की अगर हम बात करें तो ट्रेड जो है वो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस एज वेल एज शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस होता था एंड वेट्स वर बेसिकली cubical and spherical in shape. Terracotta models of bullock cart and cart tracks found on roads from various sites. Wheat and barley were the principal cereals, and there are six varieties of millets found there. And other crops were dates, varieties of legumes, sesame, and mustard. Fragments of cotton cloth were found at Mohenjo-daro and other sites also. And agriculture was generally practiced along the river banks. Cultivated field excavate हुआ कालीबंगान में. द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज़ कि कौन सा रिलीजन फॉलो होता था. इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के केस में क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट डेसिफर नहीं हुई, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, तो इसका कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि मेटाफिजिकल टेक्स्ट वहाँ पे कुछ रहे हों ना रहे हों. तो वी डोंट नो अबाउट द फिलोसफिकल aspect of religion. First one is worship of mother goddess. After that, we can say that secondly, worship of male deity. Probably he may be Shiva. शिवा को यहाँ पे एज अ पशुपति डिपिक्ट किया गया. After that, thirdly, we can say that worship of animals, natural, semi-human. In later periods, some of these animal figures as the vehicles of Hindu deities. For example, bull of Shiva, lion of Durga, buffalo of Yama, elephant of Indra. After that, fourth one is worship of trees. Swastika, a sacred symbol जो कि हिंदूज, बुद्धिज़्म, जैनिज़्म इन सब में है, वो सील्स पे मिला है, पेंटिंग्स में मिला है, ग्रेफिटी पे मिला है. Terracotta figurines depict the individuals in various yogic postures. If we talk about the social stratification and political setup, society generally was divided into three sections, that is elite class, middle class, and weaker section. Lastly, there were many theories related to decline of Harappan culture. For example, according to John Marshall, it was environmental degradation. According to Wheeler, it was Aryan invasion. However, it was considered as myth later on because all skeletons during this period were found of same group of people, and there were different causes in different regions. Thank you so much, and please like and share the video, and also subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.